Hello guys, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video I'm going to talk about how can you access your notifications and messages into Binance. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to check that, you just simply have to open your Binance application. And after opening the Binance application, you will get to see this homepage at very first. Among them, you will get to see this chat-like icon into the top right side. Just simply tap to that icon besides the headphone icon, and after tapping into there, you will get to see this section. Now into here, you will get to see announcement, campaign, Square and system messages. Now in order to check different type of notifications and messages, you can select different sectors. For example, if you need to know what type of messages and notification you get from the Binance system, you have to select system messages. And you will see all of the notifications and messages into this section. Now, if you want to check the Square notification, tap to Square. And this way, you can similarly check notifications and messages from every sectors into Binance. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.